Okay, so I wanted to make this video because I'm in the process of updating my website with some additional information based on conversations that I've had during discovery calls. And this is really about how automation can keep you from losing leads with missed call text back, in, including AI into your messaging, and a whole bunch of stuff, automated emails, automated text messages, voicemail drops. Um, your ad reporting, all kinds of stuff. And as part of this website, this kind of demo website, I'm going to include something where you can actually experience what these messages look like so you can see from the perspective of your lead, staying engaged, keeping the conversation going. And I'm about to make the automation, so I decided I'm going to record this video and show you how I'm actually going to make this automation so you can see behind the scenes how this automation runs. So I've made a short uh, document here that just kind of explains what I'm going to do. I'm going to make an automation from scratch, and it's going to include 3 messages, 3 text messages, 3 emails. We're going to test the workflow, and then we're going to go live. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to go and put in your information and see this automation run on its own. The idea here is that it's going to save you a ton of time. You're going to stay engaged with your leads. You're not going to be pulled in all these different directions. You can keep the conversation going. This is obviously going to be an accelerated version of that because it's just going to wait 1 minute between messages, but you can wait a day, a week. You can span these messages out over the course of weeks or even months to keep that conversation going, to keep the leads engaged. So let's go ahead and get started. So I made a demonstrations folder here, and we're just going to start completely from scratch. Okay, and so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give this a name, automation demo. And we need a trigger. So a trigger is what's going to initiate these automations. So like I said, there's a form here on the website. So this automation is going to trigger when someone submits the form, when they click this button, let's go. So we're going to add a new trigger. Let me move out of the way here. And it's going to be a form. And the form is the automation demo. Okay, so I'm just going to edit this, automation demo form submitted, and we're going to save the trigger. Okay, so that means that when someone fills out the form, they are going to be placed into this automation. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to send a text message. So this is going to be SMS1, and for the message, I'm just going to copy it from here. Now you'll notice there's this contact first name. What this does is when someone fills out this form or any kind of information, it's going to pull the name from this field. So it'll say, if Tom fills out the form, hey Tom, this would be your welcome message, blah, blah, blah. Okay? So that's SMS1. We're going to save it. And we also want to add an email. So we're going to say send email. It's going to be email 2. So the from name is going to be from me, from this email address. And for the subject, we're going to say, we'll say hi, not hi again. Say hi, contact first name. So if Tom fills it out, hi Tom. Paste it in here. Save. Okay. And we're going to save the workflow periodically just so we don't lose our work. Okay, so someone submits the form. These 2 messages are going to fire. And then we're going to wait. We're going to wait. And like I said, you can wait a day, an hour, a week. In this case, it's an accelerated version of this automation, so we're just going to wait for 1 minute. Okay? And now we're going to send the second SMS. This is SMS2. I'm going to go over here, copy the message, paste, save. Okay, email. I'm going to send the second email. We'll just say this. Yeah, this is your second message. I already copied it, so we can paste it. Okay, so it'll say, You know, if Jim fills it out, Jim, yep, me again, automatically. So then I hope that you can see that you write these messages one time. You run them one time, and then anytime someone gets placed into this workflow, oops, anytime someone gets placed into this workflow, they will automatically get these messages. So you can stay focused. You can stay focused on your business, but there's a system in place that's engaging with your customers, with your leads on autopilot. So I hope you can see that this is a real time saver, and it's a great way to kind of take away the annoying things about a business. You know, obviously you have to do your sales calls and have a phone call with your customer or face-to-face, schedule an appointment. But this is a great way to kind of filter out. You know, sometimes you have a sales call and it just doesn't. You know, you find out that the lead really isn't that interested, and so this is a way to kind of qualify your leads ahead of time. And kind of make sure that when you get on the phone or when you show up at that appointment, you have confidence that you've already verified that, okay, this person's serious, they've kind of gone through the workflow, you know, they've responded, and so, you know, it's a way of saving time. You know, you have those leads that you filtered so that you have the leads that are serious. You know, it saves you time. Okay, email 3. Okay, so I was talking, so I hope I didn't make any mistakes here. So this is really it. Let's save. And we're going to, we will allow re-entry, and we'll put my name here. Okay, save again. And we will, let's publish because we've been in draft mode. So now, but actually let's test, let's do a quick test. So I have a test email account here, just right here. I shall put it over here, I think. And so we're just gonna, this is email 2. Let's fix that. Email 1. Okay, so let's test. Let's test here. So we're going to send it to let's see, tk.test. That's what this account is here. Here. Okay. So let's send a test email and let's see. Now it won't have the contact first name. Yeah, it'll just say hi blank. But once someone fills out the form, it should be in there. Okay, so it's firing. Okay, great. Okay, we'll close that. So let's save everything. You know, it's always important to test this. And so now we're here. Okay, so I've got my cell phone here. I've got the test account. Okay. All right, let's move some stuff so we can actually see this in action. And like I said, once this is done, you'll be able to test this on your own for yourself. I might add some more things. I'll talk about it in a moment. Let's test it out here. So Tom, and I'll put my cell phone number. Okay. All right. Let's go. Okay. So I got my phone here. I think my camera's reversed, so I'm not sure. Okay, the first, okay, and that's a text message. Let's see here. Hey Tom, this would be your welcome message introducing yourself to your leads. Boom, there we go. It's reversed, but let's see. How does this look on here? Hi Tom. Okay, perfect. Great. So we'll wait a minute. I'll just leave this up. Let's go back here. And we're just going to make sure that this fires. And so I hope you can see now that when, let's say, a lead fills out a Facebook ad form or a Google pay-per-click, maybe you have something going to a landing page with a form, or something on your website, now you can totally automate how you communicate with those leads. And again, the advantage here is that instead of chasing after every single lead, the problem with that is if you're doing that manually is not everyone, maybe you have a cold lead and there's a second text message here. What's nice about this is a way to filter out the tire kickers. Someone who's maybe not so serious about your service. Now you can kind of engage with them and find the ones that are really actually serious automatically. And now you can pick up the phone and you can call them, and it's going to save you a ton of time. So yep, me again, automatically. Awesome. And again, this is an accelerated version. This is sending 3 messages. I'll probably add some more to this after this video. I'll probably include voicemail drops. That's another thing where you can record a single audio file that says, hey, this is Tom from TK Strategies. I saw that you filled out a form on my website. I was just calling to see if you had a moment to talk or chat about automation and how we can help you with your business. You record that audio file one time, and it's going to be dropped as a voicemail to every single person. Oh, there's a third one. That voicemail will be dropped to every single person that fills out your form. That's part of this automation. So, hey Tom, you guessed it. Here we go. Okay. So that's a very simple demonstration, and now it's live. So by the time that you watch this video, you can go here, and I'm going to upload a video. I'll probably upload this video in here. If we go back. So now you can go to this form. So what you can do is go to, it's demo.tk-strategies.us, and this is kind of an information part of the website where you can read through this and kind of see all the different features. This is again a condensed version. It's a quick way to kind of demonstrate this service. But if you click here, try the automation, test the automation, you can put your information here, hit go, and now you can see in real time what this will look like for your leads. So that's just kind of a quick video. I was updating the website, and I thought, I'm talking about automation. I may as well record how I'm going to do this actual automation. So this is the whole big picture of how automation can save you a ton of time. Now remember, when you fill out this form, I'm going to be doing something else. I'm going to be focused on some other important aspect of my business, but I'm going to stay engaged with you. And if you're interested in this, then we can have a phone call, we can schedule an appointment, we can talk over a Zoom and just kind of see what's the customer journey like for your business and where are areas that we can improve and save you a ton of time. So I'm Tom, I'm the owner of TK Strategies. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you can see the value of this service, and I hope to hear from you and hopefully talk soon. Okay, thanks, bye.